Hello everyone, my name is Greg and I dev stuff. Welcome everyone to episode 56 of Stardew Valley like game in Unity. Day of the week and seasons. So we have a passage of time. Let's introduce days of the week. Open the time script. Create an enum for days of the week. Good, now when we advance the day, we want to advance the current week of the day. So create a new variable for day of the week. In the next day we want to advance the day of the week. Convert day of the week into integer value. Add 1 to advance it. Check it if it is the end of the week. If yes, loop back to the beginning of the week. Good. Make the text reference for our day of the week. We will change this to use TMPro soon. When you change the day, update text for day of the week. Let's test this. Create new text object for day text. And launch. It will not have day at the start, but if we advance time, it will be displaying it properly. This is happening because we are not updating our text at the start. So it doesn't have any text on the start. Let's fix this issue by extracting update day text into separate method and call it on start. Keep spamming advance time, and our week will loop around. Good. Let's replace the current text object with TMPro object for better quality text on the screen. Replace objects. Replace references. Good. This episode is brought to you by generous support of people on Patreon and members on YouTube. If you want to join them, link to my Patreon in the description and join button available right now on YouTube. If you join at $10 or more, you will get access to projects file on Patreon. With this done, let's introduce seasons into our game. Once again, open time script. Create enum for seasons. Now let's iterate the current season every 30 days, so create variable for seasons and for season length. Now in the next day check for day being over the season length. And create and call next season. Iterate the season for the next one. Set the text on the screen for the season, reference it, and post text into it. Update the text for season. Create method to update season text. Call it on start. Launch the game. If you keep skipping, it should switch the season. I forgot to reset days counter. Reset the days counter when we advance to our next season. Now let's skip our seasons. Good. In episodes to come we will use our seasons to switch the possible weather forecast and tile set of the world. Good, this is it for this episode. If you have any questions or any ideas about code, please leave your comment below. If you are interested in seeing what will come out of this, please subscribe. If you want to support further, you can find my Patreon in the description. Special thank you to David Fahy and This Old Hashdo. With best regards, see you in the next episode.